This is how we make fire. We rub sticks all day long. On rainy days, we don't eat. Then we go to McDonald's. See the smoke? Did you see the smoke?
Yeah!
That's fire. Do you want to see a big fire?
Yes!
Let me go get some gasoline. Holy smoke. You want to see flames?
Yeah!
$5. Please say fire!
Fire!
Japanese heat. Heat. Korea. Argentina. Fuego.
Fuego!